Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to expand and collapse column headers in Power by using the matrix visual. By the end of this video, you'll know how to interactively drill down into your data, making your reports way more dynamic and user-friendly. If you're looking to better organize your data or just want that sleek, expandable table effect, stick around, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is insert a matrix visual. Now, a quick tip here, don't use the table visual for this. It doesn't support expanding or collapsing headers. The matrix is designed specifically for this purpose, so make sure you choose that one. You'll find it in the Visualizations pane. Just click on the icon that looks kind of like a pivot table with rows and columns. Once your matrix is in place, you'll set up your fields. For the rows, start by adding something broad like category and then drag in subcategory just below it. This creates a hierarchy like electronics as a category and phones or laptops as subcategories. Adding this hierarchy is important because the expand collapse feature really comes to life when your data is organized this way. Without layers in your rows, there's nothing to expand or drill into. For the values area, pick a metric that matters to you, say sales or quantity. This is what you'll actually be analyzing when you expand and collapse your groups. So if you want to see sales by category and then drill down to sales by subcategory, this is where it happens. Now the magic happens in the Format pane. With the matrix selected, look for the option called Stepped Layout. This is usually on by default, and it keeps subcategories nested under their parent categories with an indented look. You'll also want to turn on the option called Show Plus Icons. This little switch is what gives you those handy buttons next to each row, the plus and minus signs. When you see them, that's a great sign that your matrix is set up properly for expansion and collapse. If you don't see those icons, double-check your field hierarchy and those format settings. So now comes the fun part. Once you've got those icons visible, you can simply click the plus sign to expand a category and reveal its subcategories. Clicking the minus sign will collapse them back up, making your visual nice and compact again. This interaction is really useful if you're presenting to others and want to control how much detail to display, or even if you just want to make sense of your own reports. It's a bit like pulling open drawers to show what's inside or closing them to tidy up your workspace. And here's another handy trick. You don't have to rely just on the icons. You can also right-click directly on a column in your matrix and select Expand to Next Level. This lets you drill down even further, sometimes making it a bit quicker if you're dealing with big hierarchies. Give yourself a moment if something isn't showing up right away. Sometimes it takes a second for Power BI to update your visual as you tweak those settings. And if your data isn't organized in a hierarchy yet, don't worry. Just drag and drop until it looks right. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now you know how to expand and collapse your matrix headers in Power BI, creating interactive, focused reports that can wow your team or help you understand your data better. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Power BI trick you'd like to see next. And make sure you subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.